Hey guys, what is up? This is Rai, and I'm in a studio that you may or may not have seen or watched in a different channel. For those who know me, alam nyo na yun. But yeah, I'm actually trying to fix the setup. I'm filming this evening of November 3. And yun, so nag-aayos kami na setup, the lights, the cameras. Naisipan ko, what's a good way to test this setup, but to, of course, do my own content. So welcome to another sneaker unboxing. After a long time, I have I've been unboxing pairs of sneakers for etong year na to. Pero ngayon lang ulit ako mag-unbox ng pair na galing sa Reebok Philippines. Shout out kay Reebok Philippines Sports Central for sending this over. Actually, they sent this over not for vlog naman, not for a video content. They just need help in putting out photos for this specific model. So, salamat Reebok Philippines for this. Of course, syempre, since nasa akin na rin, gagawa ko na ng content ko, di ba? But yeah, this is the Reebok Classic Nylon. Ito siya. Bago ko to i-unbox, siguro muna ako. Magre-reintroduce muna ako. My name is Rai Qatar. I used to do sneaker-related content, pero for the past months, or siguro almost close to a year, evidently, I have medyo diversified, quote-unquote, medyo naglilo ako sa sneakers. Medyo bagsak din naman ang market ng sneakers ngayon eh. But yeah, makikita nyo ko ngayon sa social media, nagpo-post ko ng photos kasi meron akong photography-centric pages. I'm trying my very best to be a photographer. So kung meron kayong kung naghanap kayo ng photographer, DM me on Instagram, baka pwede ako. But yeah, this is the Reebok Classic Nylon 89. This is size 11, of course, my size. For those who are knowledgeable in sneakers, Reebok has been in the market for decades. 1980s yung kanyang starting year, doon din siya nag-skyrocket hanggang mga 90s, hanggang siguro mid to late 90s. Yung 80s, puro mga runners, trainers, mga low tops. So, kung sa ibang brand, siguro you can say yung mga New Balance, diba? New Balance, yung 990s sa Nike, yung Air Force One, of course. Meron tayong Cortez, Adidas, meron tayong Stan Smith, and so on. Alam niyo na. So, this is the Reebok Classic Nylon. The Classic Nylon, guys, yung pangalan niya, yung Classic Nylon na naming convention, talagang pangalan lang siya. This is the younger brother of the Reebok Classic Leather. Classic Leather, hindi ibig sabihin dahil leather. Well, okay. Classic Leather kasi nga, nung nilabas siya before, leather siya. Classic Nylon, nilabas siya kasi parang counterpart siya ng Classic Leather pero nylon material siya. But it doesn't mean na lahat ng ilalabas nila ng Classic Leather yung material. I know it defeats the purpose of naming it like that, pero ganun talaga. It's just a name, Classic Leather, pero may mga releases sila na canvas, full suede, and so on. Kaya ko sinasabi yun, parang disclaimer yun, kasi this specific model, Classic Nylon 89, is, paano ba? Not made of nylon, or made with nylon. Ayan siya. Actually, mas malapit nga sa leather yung materials niya. Kasi yung upper niya is a mix of suede. So, leather suede. Makapal pa actually na suede siya. Hindi ko alam kung maka-capture siya ng camera. Dito sa kabila, capture ba siya? But anyway, siguro i-ano ko na lang, mag-insert ako ng mga B-roll for your appreciation. Pero basically, it's, yung overlays niya, leather. Meron siyang leather element dito. Ito yung form stripe niya, yung vector logo. Tapos, majority are suede leather. Thick suede, medyo hairy pa na leather yan. Tapos, yung nasa loob, this is Cordura. So, Cordura material, yung Cordura is a brand na actually, no? Hindi naman siya yung pwede mong bilhin lang. So, para siyang ballistic mesh, yun yung dating niya, all mesh. So, ayan, ang colorway is, as you can see, it's brown and may hints of purple. Different shades of brown and then purple. So, meron siyang purple hints dito sa malapit sa toes, dito sa may lining siya dito sa may parang Gambit, parang si Gambit sa X-Men. Ayan. Tapos, leather yung kanyang heel counter na may laser printed Reebok. Tapos ito yung kanyang tongue. Yung tongue niya, of course, sports sa 1980 popular Starcrest Reebok logo na may running man. Yung running man na yan, yung running man na nakadikit yan sa Starcrest logo was used sa mga running sneakers nila. Yung Pyro, yung Aztrek, yung Bolton. And yeah, walang logo yung yung insoles niya. It's a black Ortholite insoles. Again, size 11. I'll be rocking this. May naisip na nga akong okasyon na may event kasi ako pupuntahan na ito yung susuotin ko eh. Ang kaibahan nito ron sa classic nylon, kasi yung classic nylon, it's really like a mirror image of the classic leather. May iba lang no konti sa upper. Eto guys, meron siyang parang, di ko alam parang siyang clip, parang heel clip yung dating. Pero actually, this is part of the midsole. So, ito nakikita niyo parang ibang color. Yan yung may stripes na yan, medyo makapal, medyo naka-usli siya dito sa likod. Protruding siya, di ba? Pero, yeah, 1989, I'm not really sure if classic nylon is... Hindi ko alam kung associated siya sa 1989 eh. As far as I know, classic nylon gained popularity noong 1991. Pero nung nag-research ako, as early as 1987, nilabas yung unang-unang classic nylon. Pero 89, hindi ako masyadong sure. Hindi ako nagtanong sa Reebok Philippines Sports Central. Wala pa rin akong tinatanong ng mga kaibigan kong Reebok enthusiast kung ano yung significance ng 89 sa Reebok Classic Nylon. Pero as I look at it, para siyang reimagined version of the classic nylon. Hindi siya one-to-one remake nung whatever silhouette yung nilabas ng 89 na yon. But I can be wrong. So kung meron sa inyo na nakakaalam yung mga nangongolekta ng mga East Bay magazines before, comment it down and let's learn from each other, di ba? So yeah, actually yun lang yung video. Like I said, I'm just testing the setup right here. And of course, I'll be putting up more photos featuring this. Abangan nyo rin yung mga ilalabas ni Reebok Philippines, of course, featuring this pair. Hindi ko alam kung magpaprint din sila para ilagay sa store nila. But yeah, again, salamat Reebok Philippines for this. May susuotin na ako sa isang awards na pupuntahan ko. Thank you for watching. Follow me on all my socials, especially dun sa aking photography-centric pages. Ito yung R Visuals. Lahat naman yan nakalink sa description box. Thank you for watching. Y'all stay safe. I'll see you on the next one.